LG UltraGear 24GN65R settings best setup. This is a 1080p 144Hz IPS gaming monitor. So the goal is simple: balance smooth motion plus accurate colors plus low input lag. Best overall settings plug and play. Start with this baseline. Game mode, Gamer 1. Brightness, 60 to 70. Contrast, 70 to 75. Sharpness, 50 gamma. Mode 2. Color temp, warm or custom, are 50/G48/B47. This gives you good colors without oversaturation. Gaming settings important. Inside game adjust. Response time, fast, avoid faster, it causes ghosting. FreeSync, on. Black stabilizer, 50/60 crosshair, optional. Motion blur reduction, off. Only use if you want clarity over brightness. Why? Fast gives best balance of clarity versus overshoot. FreeSync removes screen tearing. FPS/competitive settings. Game mode, FPS brightness, 75, 80 black stabilizer, 60 to 70. This boosts visibility in dark areas, important for shooters. Color accurate/general use. Game mode, Gamer 1. Brightness, 50/60. Color temp, warm black stabilizer, 50. Better for browsing, content creation, less eye strain. Key setting most people miss. Set this on your PC. Refresh rate, 144 Hz, very important. Resolution, 1920 by 1080 native. If you skip this, you're basically not using the monitor properly. Bottom line, use Gamer 1 plus fast response plus FreeSync on as your base. Adjust brightness plus black stabilizer, depending on your game. Avoid overtuning. This monitor is already well balanced. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.